Welcome to this Easy Tech channel, and of course this is the channel we talk about different things technology. And this is also to announce that we are moving ahead once again in Android. We always say, people are always a little kind of mystified and wonder always why there's new versions of operating systems, and it's not always easy to follow all of this. Well, we have Google that has released its first developer preview of the Android 11 operating system for phones and tablets. And we'll actually have some videos today talking about this. So if you want to learn more about some of the things we're learning here, one of the interesting things about Android 11 is I think it's shaping itself for the future of Android devices, because it's actually going to natively understand and allow the use of foldable devices. So new category coming up. We had the flip phone, we had the smartphone, and we're back at the smart flip phone. Maybe that's how we should call it, the smart flip phone. So anyways, there's still so many devices that are not even on Android 10 yet. And this is, of course, and always has been a problem. The upgrade process to these versions has always been painful and complicated. So it's kind of interesting to see that, we're already at Android 11, that the first developer. So, of course, we're months away from the release, as this is only the first developer preview. There probably won't be a release of Android 11 before the fall. It will be, of course, on Google's own devices first, like the Pixel phones and so on. But at least we're moving ahead. And today we'll have a series of videos talking about some of the interesting features. But one of the first features that we can certainly say here is Google is embracing foldable devices, because there are some fundamental changes in Android 11 that allow it to react to folding screens, dual screens, and all sorts of things like that, which is, of course, showing us an interesting future for Android. As for Android 10, still rolling out. I have a Galaxy S9 Plus, and I still don't have 10. It's still on 9. It started rolling out in the US apparently for some, so I'm hoping that in the next few days or next few weeks, maybe my phone will move on to Android 10, which I would like to, and use the One UI functionality on that. But, we'll examine all of this and see where it goes. So, Android 11 coming to a device near you later this year. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.